funny.
I don't remember snowing that much.
Where are all this snow coming from?
No answer. Sam. Psst. Mayor, whoops!
Merry Christmas, Sam.
Sam? Something's not right. Sammy, old boy, this is not the alternative ending. This is a Christmas special.
Really? I thought I slept through January.
We need to tell Honk about this.
But where is he?
How should I know? I'm not a sat-nav.
Meanwhile, at a delivery shop. Son, now you know. Can you repeat that again? I've just said it 5 times. 5! It's 25. What? We now continue with Soup News.
Honk found stealing golden money and toys for Christmas. The police are unable to arrest him because his face looks too official.
I knew it.
If I see your hands in that pocket, I will what now?
Merry Christmas!
Oh, no, you're not. After him.
Oh. Not so fast. No, I haven't finished filming. Go to another one there.
This ends now. Imposter.
You did it, Sam. Christmas is saved.
We're going to Candy's Palace to celebrate.
Well, these two are coming with me. Wait, officer. I don't want Christmas to be about the tree or the presents. It's about holiday to hang out with your friends. Forgive them if they did or didn't mean it. And it's the season to be jolly. La 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 la. I think you missed your point, kid, but don't let them do that again. The book's trash.